Hi, my name is Jordan and I'm a Cornell chemical engineer. I think the class that made me decide that chemical engineering was for me was Intro to Chemical Engineering. It's taught by Professor Alabi and he's probably one of the most supportive professors I've ever had. What I love about the class is that the problem sets he really tries to integrate into the chemical engineering curriculum so you feel like you're solving real-world problems and you understand what you can do with your degree. Chemical engineering is this amazing major where you can pretty much do anything with it. I think it would be really interesting to work in the aerospace industry because you actually have chemical engineers who create the solid rocket fuel for NASA's rockets that they're sending to Mars. I think my first defining moment was my freshman year. When I first enrolled at Cornell, I had no idea that we had these amazing opportunities through project teams. And I was really nervous my freshman year and I wasn't sure I wanted to apply just yet, but I was talking to one of my friends who was actually on the project team and he told me, you have to apply to this project team, and now I'm team captain. For Cornell ChemE Car, we have 4 different power teams, so we're always working on 4 different power sources. So we have 2 teams that work in research and development, and then we'll usually have 2 teams that are competition ready. This year, we're going to nationals and we're sending our pressure car. So our pressure car is powered by, you can think of it as a volcano reaction, and it generates about 170 psi of pressure, and we use an air ratchet motor and we power the pressure through this pipe into the air ratchet motor, and that actually spins the motor and causes the car to run. We're hoping for a win. We actually have the most national wins out of any other ChemE Car team in the country, so we've done pretty well for ourselves.